From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Wednesday evening, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Hope you are all well today. As Penn State had its third and final wellness day of the semester, we had great weather for it. I think hardly anybody will disagree with that. Here's the time lapse over Beaver Stadium today. A beautiful sunrise to start the day, then some scattered clouds moving through and an isolated shower or two passing by in the mid-morning hours. But then in the afternoon, blue sky, a lovely afternoon, and also a very warm afternoon. Check this out, 75 degrees at Beaver Stadium at the 3 o'clock hour, a dew point of 46. It is very warm, it is very dry, and I'm pretty sure this is the highest temperature we have seen yet so far this 2021. The warmth we feel here in State College is not limited to central Pennsylvania. The entirety of the Commonwealth is feeling a little bit toasty today, especially in western PA. 71 degrees on the Northwest Plateau in Bradford, 72 along the Laurel Highlands in Johnstown, and in the southwestern corner of the state, the Pittsburgh Metro, almost cracking the 80-degree mark today. Lots of warmth across Pennsylvania being felt today. Radar and satellite shows those few mid-morning clouds and showers passing to our south, generally now south of the Turnpike and getting out of Pennsylvania now, but developing to our northwest, a few popcorn showers, if you will. These are little convective bubbles of precipitation that'll be drifting from northwest to the southeast. As we head through the rest of the afternoon today, I'll show you what precipitation we may expect from that in just a moment. Meanwhile, the rest of the Northeast is fairly quiet, with almost the entirety of New York State and also looks like Connecticut fairly cloud-free on this Wednesday afternoon. That is set to change, though, as we head through the overnight hours. Some isolated showers expected in the first half of the evening, and then we'll start the day Thursday about the way we started today. A mix of sun and clouds, though generally on the sunnier side, especially by the afternoon. Now, clouds will begin to build in Thursday night into Friday as a weak disturbance is set to move in, and that could bring some precipitation into central Pennsylvania. Much needed precipitation, however, as we're running about 1.5 inches below average rainfall so far this year. That precipitation will move out of our area on Friday morning, but we will stay cloudy and we'll start Saturday under cloudy skies as well. We'll stay cloudy on Saturday in advance of the next storm system that arrives on Sunday. Now, this system, I'm looking forward to this one because it's set to bring more precipitation to a greater majority of the Commonwealth, and it should be a steadier precipitation as well. So that'll really help to moisten up the ground, and if you have any plants or grass that's starting to look a little bit brown, this will serve nicely to help regreen things, if you will. And that precipitation will move out of the way by the second half of the day on Monday, and then we'll start the day Tuesday under a mix of sun and clouds once again. Now, in terms of precipitation accumulation, by the time we start the day on Saturday, we will have received a little bit over 1/10 of an inch or so here in State College. That's mainly from that system that's arriving overnight Thursday into Friday. Then when that next system comes, this is, like I said, when we're expecting to see a lot more of that precipitation, upwards of 1 inch total by the time all is said and done as we start the day on Tuesday. So for tonight, 51 degrees, your overnight low, with an isolated shower or a rumble of thunder too early in the evening. Winds light out of the east, except, of course, when there's an isolated shower, may be a little bit gustier than that. And then during the day tomorrow, 63 degrees for your afternoon high. Not quite as warm, but it will still be quite comfortable, especially with a light southerly breeze that will feel warm to the skin. The rest of your 7-day forecast looks like this. We'll start the weekend in the 50s, Friday and Saturday, 54, 56 degrees. But notice we'll only drop to the mid and upper 40s. That's a little bit above average for this time of year. Temperatures to start next week will climb back above average, and by the time we hit the middle of next week, our average high in State College officially hits 60 degrees. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Have a great night.